How to grow your YouTube channel with ads on YouTube. Hi and welcome. In this video you will know exactly what type of ad campaign is better for your channel and what's the content that you should put in the ad to make that it works so you can get more views and more subscribers and grow your channel. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe. The first thing I want to share with you is that there is two main difference between two type of ads. The first one is the pre-roll ads and the second one is the discovery ad. The pre-roll is the one that lasts about 5 seconds and then you can skip, that it come up with when you see a video. Maybe you are on a soccer video and you see that there is a soccer ad that comes in your face, maybe about some clothing or some other YouTube channel. That is the pre-roll ads. And then we have the discovery ads. And the discovery is where you search some results and it will appear at the beginning or in the suggested video on the right of some videos. These are the two main type of ad campaign for your channel that it works to grow your channel. And the biggest difference between of them is that one it's more aggressive. The pre-roll ad really came in front of you and really makes you feel maybe a little bit uncomfortable because you are on a channel to see that determinate video and another person come to your face and show you maybe a message, a promotion or other stuff, and it can be a little bit aggressive and invasive. And then we have the discovery. The discovery is pretty much you chose to click on the video, and we will see later what's the difference and why you should choose one or the other. But one is more active and aggressive, the other it's more passive, and the decision to watch the video it's in the hand of your of the users that show the ad. I have tried both for my channel and I can see that the results it's really better for with the discovery ad, because people chose to click on that video and they really are more likely to engage with the content and they are more likely to watch the video for the full duration of that and not just for the first 5 seconds. And then depending on what's your goal, I advise you to use one or the other. So my result was that I have done both. I have spent a lot more money in the discovery ad because I have seen that it works better. And if you are looking for subscribers, maybe the best thing to do is to create an aggressive ad that it's for pre-roll. So when people click on a video about business, they will come up your face and say that you have an incredible channel about business, you post consistently, and they should absolutely check out your channel and subscribe to see more of your content. That it will be great. But if you need more watch times, maybe your goal is to hit the 4,000 watch time so you can be monetized. This discovery ad are really better because on the pre-roll maybe you have 5 seconds of just watch time or a little bit more depending of the quality of the ad, but you can pretty much have unlimited potential on the discovery ad because people are already interested in the title, in the description, in the thumbnail, and they will click, so they are more likely to watch a longer period of time of your videos. And depending on what your goal, you should choose one or the other. And now we will see in the details how to create and what content put in a pre-roll ad and also in a discovery ad. In a pre-roll ad, it's very important to tell quickly in the 5 seconds, get the attention of the people that are watching that ad. You should grab their attention, maybe say some stuff or just create some controversial things in your video. For example, say who you are, or maybe if you are interested in business, you can check out my channel. I post consistently videos about business, money, and maybe, don't know, growing YouTube stuff. And I will post weekly videos, just subscribe, it's free and stuff, something like this. You should be really speedy and don't say a lot of stuff, just the important things. But I have here 4 things that should absolutely tell. First of all, who you are, because people don't know you, and you should present yourself a little bit, what you do, who you are. The second thing is the topic about your video, because you cannot say people to subscribe to the channel if they don't know what's the content inside it. So once you tell people, okay, my name is Nicola, I have a YouTube channel about business since I am an entrepreneur, and then people know who you are and what you do. And then you should give them a reason why they should subscribe to that channel, and why they should go on the channel and watch more videos. And maybe you can say, I have a lot of testimonials that people that have watched my videos that increase maybe the overall revenue about 30%, or they started their own business with my tips, and some of my clients really feel good working with me because I give them free tips and other stuff. You should come up with your idea, your script, and it should be very original. And the last thing, but the most important to do, is tell to people a call to action. If you don't know what is a call to action, it's pretty much a thing where you say, okay, subscribe, now subscribe, check out my channel, click the link, and this other stuff, so the people will know exactly what you do. And you take pretty much the people from not knowing you to know your name, see your face, know what you're doing, what your channel is about, why they should subscribe to your channel, and lastly, you tell them a little bit aggressive to subscribe to the channel or click the link and other stuff. So this is pretty much what is involved for a pre-roll ad. And the most important thing that you should always keep in mind when doing this is that your video, it must be interesting, very interesting, so people just keep watching and doesn't skip. Because if you just present yourself in the first 5 seconds and then at the end of the video you have a call to action to subscribe, and people after 5 seconds close the video, they will never see all the message that you have later. So it's really important to grab the attention of the people during the first 5 seconds. Then we go on the create a discovery ad. A discovery ad, it's very different, and it's pretty much less work because you already have a lot of videos on your channel, hopefully. If not, just go and create more videos. So go on the videos and see how the videos convert subscribers. For example, I have some videos that through that video maybe 5 people subscribers, other 10 people subscribed, and then I have some people that I have lost with some videos. So you should find the best video for you, for your channel, the best video that converts subscribers. So you know that video really is interesting and it converts subscribers. So it will be your main video to show as a discovery ad. And you should pretty much have a very interesting thumbnail, because if you have a boring thumbnail, people will never click on that video. So you can create a Google ad campaign where you just create this type of structure, and then you come up with that content. You already have the video, you already have an incredible thumbnail, and then you can add the title that it should be a little bit maybe clickbait, so people they are more likely to click on the channel, but not too much. Because if you say, I have just earned 1,000 in 1 hour, and then on the video you speak on about books, people will pretty much not trust you, because you have said something that is not it's very controversial, and people doesn't like that, and they will not show more or see more on your channel, and they will not subscribe because they have seen that you are pretty much a liar and you don't sell your content in the right way. So make sure to create something that is completely regular and is completely in line with the content that you have inside the video. And If you are maybe interested in a very detailed tutorial when I sit down on my computer, just comment below, and if you have any question, also comment below that I can give you some other advices. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. I see you in the next one.